morning, last full day of Venice. Today is gonna be pretty chill. We're gonna go to the fish market, but it's closed. So we're just gonna go to a cafe. We're going to Bottega Del Dersut. I should probably try an espresso, but I don't like coffee, so I'm gonna get a croissant. This is Cafe Coco, which is coconut flakes and coconut syrup and coffee. And this is just a baguette with some ham, cheese, or actually no, turkey and veggies and cheese. This is a chocolate croissant, because duh. That is cappuccino. Those are, I don't know what those are called. Are they cannolis? Cannellonis? I don't know. But that, and then we got another sandwich, which is tomato, cheese, and ham. Yay! Love. So we've walked to the fish market and it's closed, but we are across from the hand sculpture and it's so cool. Like, wow. Florian now, and we were taking pictures of I was taking pictures with a cup, and then our sandwiches were uncovered, and I was like, okay, we gotta keep them covered because of the freaking birds, but it was uncovered, and a seagull freaking came and swooped in on the sandwich, and my hands are shaking now. I'm so scared. I told you I hate birds. I hate birds so much. Like, why do they exist? I don't understand. So my dad got a vid. Oh, Jesus. Birds. I hate birds. How's it? Is it good? Yes, we are at Cafe Florian. And it has the view of St. Mark's Basilica right there. And it's in St. Mark's Square. And it's very lovely. But the freaking pigeon right there, oh, it flew away. Well, he just pooed right there. I heard the splat and everything. Oh my god, it was so nasty. So we've made it back to the hotel, or the Airbnb. We had dinner after we went and got pizza. We got pizza and then we had spaghetti and soup that my mom made. Right now I'm just having a peach, but for dessert we had the tiramisu from yesterday because we bought 2 jars of those. And so we finished that and ate some kiwi, eating some peaches right now. And then I talked to my friend Jessica for a while, and now I am waiting for my phone to charge, but I'm going to be doing some work stuff for the rest of the night. But today is our last full day in Venice. Tomorrow we are leaving on a flight to Croatia. Hello, so last day, we are heading to the airport today. My brother and I just went to take out the trash. to Amsterdam for a layover, and then we're heading to Split after that.
Do we have service?